Kidde's smoke and carbon monoxide alarms with smart features are designed to give you confidence to take control of a safer home. The Kidde app provides a smart, simple way to alert you to home hazards, even when you're not there. In addition to real-time updates, the alarms bring you smarter features for a safer, healthier home. They're powered by 120-volt AC with a sealed backup battery that lasts for 10 years, so you don't have to worry about changing the battery for the entire life of the device. The alarms alert you to both smoke and carbon monoxide, detecting 2 common home safety threats using a single alarm. And connection with other Kidde hardwired alarms means when an alarm in any room goes off, all alarms will sound and send a notification to your mobile phone. These are just the highlights of how Kidde's smoke and carbon monoxide alarms with smart features can help you manage your home safety with confidence. Shop Kidde today and experience a new level of control, all from a trusted fire safety leader for more than 100 years.